Hey guys, XFox here. Check it out. This is going to be one of my next projects coming up here. I actually went ahead and got one of these, oh man, it's like a $200 ready-to-run crawler kit off of eBay. Don't mind the front tires here. It actually comes with, of course, those back tires. I'll put it in the, I'll put it inside the description as well as the title on what model this was. I already totally forgot. But anyway, you know, I thought it was pretty cool driving it around, some of the stock electronics here. But the thing is, it's like that 540 can style motor, and with a 2-cell LiPo, it wasn't all that quick. And I upgraded the steering over here. I just got to link it up. And I wanted to see what this thing would do if I put my Mamba Max Pro in this thing. So I got everything ready. I'm going to show you guys. I was going to drive it to show you what it's like, you know, on the stock stuff, but it really wasn't that exciting. So I think I'm going to go ahead and lower the body some, throw on the axial tires here, and get rid of sort of these back ones here, or I don't know. But I thought this was a pretty cool truck. If you guys can take a look here, you can see this thing is pretty much, you know, it's a lot of aluminum on this thing. The shocks are really bad. Look at those axles though, like really beefy aluminum axles. You guys can check those out there. Of course, I'm probably going to replace these. I'm not quite sure if the Mamba is going to just twist those apart. But I really wanted you guys to see this. Not bad for 200. I'm going to go ahead and swap in electronics and probably do a quick drive. Alright guys, look, check it out. This is the new transmission, or the new parts on it. I'll zoom in here so you guys can see it. Basically a lot more beefier than the old one. I'm definitely probably going to upgrade this to the aluminum housing. It seems a little bit sort of flimsy, but you guys can see everything just bolted on pretty easy. The actual mounting bolts right here were a little long, but I did have, you guys can check them out where they're at right there. A little bit long, so I went ahead and just used some other extra ones that I have. But you guys can check that out. Definitely a lot beefier than my old one. Hopefully we'll get this installed. Alright guys, check it out. Got everything finally installed here. I did a little bit of running, but it's slightly faster, only because these tires on here, unfortunately, are about 2 times the actual, or 2 less times the size of the actual stock ones that are on there. Let me go ahead and show you guys what was on there. There were these right there, so it would definitely be a lot quicker if those were on there, so I got to change the actual gear ratio on there. I just kept the one, and I got to find if I have another one. So let me get these out of the way. Again, here are all the old electronics. You can see, I mean, I'll keep them, but nothing that fancy. This motor definitely do that great. Of course, these Traxxas style drive lines here, I replaced them for the, I think those are called the HG telescoping ones. If you guys can see it, I'll flip it over here in a second. And of course, this fan would not fit on here because this sort of housing was in the way. And I actually ran into this when I put, I think it was the SVT2 Sidewinder on to my SCX10. I ran into the same problem. I had to like cut out this little piece right here. So I'm definitely going to do that on this one, but I'll let you guys just sort of go around here. You guys can see everything bolted up real nice, real easy. Drove it around for a little bit. Again, it was fast, but I want to make it a lot faster. Right here's from the other side, guys. You can see pretty simple installation. Everything really, again, just bolted on real nice. Flip it over so you guys can see. Pretty much there's the drive lines that go up. A lot beefier than the actual stock ones. So there you go, guys. Another quick, you know, sort of update on one of my projects that I'm doing here. Hopefully you guys can get a running video of this here soon when I change out the spur. You guys can see it. Just not, the stock gearing is just not that great. So definitely when I switch it up, or even switch out the main one, we'll see how much faster this goes. I really want to make this into sort of a basher, not a crawler. But anyways, definitely subscribe if you guys haven't already.